Oliver and Emma were best friends. They loved to bake. Every weekend they would come up with new recipes to try. Their favorite part was always the taste test at the end. Today they were in Emma's bright kitchen. The sun was shining through the windows, making everything look warm and inviting. It was time for cookies. Sunshine filled the room, casting a golden glow on the countertops and mixing bowls. The oven was ready to go. They had preheated it to the perfect temperature for baking their delicious treats.
Let's bake,
shouted Oliver, grabbing an apron. He loved the one with the superhero print on it. Emma giggled and tied on her own apron. Hers had little cupcakes all over it, a gift from her grandma. They were ready for some fun. The kitchen was their playground and they were the chefs.
Cookies it is!
Emma agreed. She pulled out her recipe book. It was her grandma's. The book was old and worn but filled with love. The pages were filled with delicious treats. Each recipe had little notes and tips written in the margins. They found the perfect cookie recipe. It was for chocolate chip cookies, their absolute favorite.
this one.
Shouted Oliver, pointing at a picture of chocolate chip cookies. His eyes sparkled with excitement. Emma nodded. Those did look good. She could already imagine the smell of freshly baked cookies filling the kitchen. First they gathered ingredients. The kitchen was buzzing with excitement as Emma and Oliver prepared for their baking adventure. Flour, sugar, butter and chocolate chips were all neatly arranged on the counter. Each ingredient had its place, ready to be transformed into delicious treats. Emma carefully measured the flour, making sure to get the exact amount needed for their recipe.
We need it just right, she said with a smile.
She explained, emphasizing the importance of precision in baking. Oliver scooped the flour into the measuring cup, his hands steady and focused. He used the back of a knife to level it off, ensuring there was no extra flour.
No extra flour, he exclaimed proudly.
Emma smiled. Oliver was learning quickly and enjoying the process.
Good job, she encouraged.
Emma praised his efforts with a thumbs up. She added the measured flour to a big bowl. Next came the sugar, which she measured with equal care. Emma used a different measuring cup for this, ensuring accuracy.
We don't want to mix up the measurements, she reminded.
She explained. Oliver nodded, carefully watching and absorbing every detail of the baking process. Now for the fun part, Oliver grabbed the electric mixer.
Stand back,
he joked, making Emma laugh. He carefully mixed the butter and sugar together. The mixture was light and fluffy.
Perfect!
Emma cracked 2 eggs into a small bowl. She checked them carefully.
No shells,
she announced, pouring them into the mix. Oliver turned the mixer on low. Slowly he added the dry ingredients. The kitchen was filled with the whirring sound of the mixer.
Almost done!
Emma shouted over the noise. Finally, it was time for the best part, chocolate chips.
All right, here go the chocolate chips. Make sure to add plenty. We want every bite to be chocolatey.
Oliver poured in the chocolate chips, making sure not to miss a single one. He knew the more chocolate chips, the better the cookies would taste.
Now to fold them in gently. We don't want to break the chips or overwork the dough.
He used a big spoon to fold them into the dough, making sure each chip was evenly distributed.
Don't overmix. We want the cookies to be light and fluffy.
Emma reminded him, knowing that overmixing could make the cookies tough. Oliver was careful. He wanted the cookies to be perfect. Each scoop was placed with precision.
Time to scoop the dough onto the baking sheets. Make sure each scoop is the same size so they bake evenly.
Using a spoon, they scooped the dough onto baking sheets, ensuring each cookie had enough space to spread.
Make sure they have space to spread. We don't want them to stick together.
Oliver slid the baking sheet into the preheated oven, carefully closing the door. The timer was set by Now they waited. The anticipation was almost as delicious as the cookies themselves. The smell of baking cookies filled the kitchen. It smelled delicious. The aroma was irresistible. Oliver and Emma sat at the table, excitedly watching the oven. They could hardly wait to taste their creation. Ding! The timer went off. Oliver, wearing oven mitts, carefully took the baking sheets out of the oven. The cookies were golden brown and perfect. They let the cookies cool on the baking sheet.
They need to set.
Oliver could hardly wait. Finally, the cookies were cool enough to eat. Oliver and Emma each took one. They bit into the warm, gooey cookies.
Delicious.
Baking cookies together was the best. They shared a high five, proud of their baking success.